Key English. Together, we make the difference. Let's talk about Subject-Verb Agreement. Before we talk about Subject-Verb Agreement, we need to talk about singular nouns. So singular noun is a noun that there's only one of. So here is a chair, there's only one chair, and here is a girl, there's only one girl. So do we need to put the letter S at the end of the word if there's only one? Of course not, because there's only one of this noun. Then we have plural nouns. Plural nouns means more than one. So here we have some chairs, and at the end we put the letter S to show that there's more than one. Here we have two girls. Also at the end we put the letter S to show that there's more than one. So these are singular and plural. Singular is only one, and plural is more than one or many. But subject-verb agreement is not the same as singular and plural nouns. That's what makes it tricky. First, let's look at subject. What is a subject? So subject is who or what is the sentence about. Here we have some subjects. He, she, the cat, the cucumber, the lunch. All of these words here can be the subject of your sentence. Who is your sentence about? Every sentence that you write needs to have a subject. But your sentence also needs something else. It needs a verb. Verb is the action word. What is happening in your sentence? Here are some verbs: run, write, drive, talk, swim, dance. All of these action words tell us what your subject is doing. This is the special rule you need to remember. Something that is singular is only one. So, the dog walks. Here, my noun, my subject, is only one. It's only one dog. So, when the subject is singular, when it's only one, then I need to add an S to my verb. You can remember it like this. Singular starts with the letter S, so that means my verb needs to get the letter S. And plural means many. So the dogs walk. When my subject is many, when it's more than one, then my verb will not get the letter S. Let's review it one more time. Singular noun, verb gets the S. Plural noun, verb gets no S. But here's the tricky part. This is something you have to memorize. If the subject of the sentence is I or you, then there's no S. Even though I and you is singular, it's only one. Still, you put no S. This is a special rule that you need to memorize. For example, I walk the dog. You walk the dog. We did not put any S at the end of my verb. Now I'm going to give you some questions and I want to see if you can find the correct answer. Are you ready? Number 1, the girl blank a book. Should I say the girl read a book or the girl reads a book? Which answer do you think is correct? The correct answer is reads. Of course, my subject is singular. There's only one girl. If my subject is singular, then the S will go to the verb. so I need to put the S after read. Good job if you got it correct. Number 2, Sam blank the bike. Sam ride the bike or Sam rides the bike? Which answer is correct? The correct answer is rides. So again, Sam is singular. Sam is only one. So when it's singular, the S will go to the verb. We need to put the S at the end of ride. Sam rides the bike. Number 3, they blank the soccer ball. They kick the soccer ball or they kicks the soccer ball. Which answer is correct? The correct answer is kick. So they is not singular. They is plural. It's more than one. So when my subject is plural, there's no S at the end of the verb. Good job if you got this correct. Next question. Bill and Sally blank English. Bill and Sally learn English or Bill and Sally learns English. Which answer is correct? The correct answer is learn. Let's look at Bill and Sally. Bill is one person and Sally is one person. But when you put it together, how many people is it? It's 2. So this is a plural. This one is plural. It's more than one. If the subject is plural, then there's no S at the end of the verb. So the correct answer is learn. Next question. Teachers blank on the board. Teachers write or teachers writes on the board. Which answer is correct? The correct answer is right. Look at the subject teachers. There's an S at the end. That means it's more than one. It's plural. If the S is in the subject, then the verb can't get an S. There's no S at the end of write. And here is our last question. The cow blank in the park. The cow skate or the cow skates? Which answer is correct? The correct answer is skates. The cow is singular. There's only one. If the subject is singular, the verb needs to have an S. So skates is the correct answer. So remember, if the subject is singular, add the S to the verb. If the subject is plural, no S on the verb. But if the subject is I or you, there's no S on the verb. If you can remember this, then you'll not make any more mistakes with subject-verb agreement. Good luck!